Imagine over 500,000 lines of AI source code just hitting the public domain. Now, I'm not talking about a hack, I'm not talking about a breach, but a routine update that went sideways. Now, in a world where platforms like GitHub connect over 100 million developers, a slip up like this can scale globally within just minutes. But within a few hours, people everywhere were downloading and dissecting what was supposed to be a trade secret. Welcome to Perspectives. This week, Anthropic, the team behind Claude, is navigating a massive exposure caused by a simple internal oversight. So, let us discuss how did this actually happen. Well, a routine update accidentally included an internal file that was only meant for debugging. Now, it sounds like a small slip up, but it exposed over 500,000 lines of system's core code. What's notable here is that nobody hacked them and no user data was leaked. But Anthropic is chalking this up to pure human error. But what is the real problem here? Once that code hits the internet, it's everywhere instantly. And here's a simple way to understand it. Software is like a finished product, right? But it comes with hidden layers. Some are for users, others are strictly for builders. In this case, the blueprint of the entire system was accidentally left in that very box. That blueprint is the source code. It's the DNA of the system, how it thinks, how it functions. Once that is out, you can't exactly take it back. And within hours, developers had grabbed the file and spread it across the globe, proving just how fast information moves in a world driven by open source sharing. And this is exactly where it gets bigger. It didn't just reveal code, it provided a roadmap. You see, developers are already tearing this code apart to see how the system is structured and how it actually thinks. And some of them found hints of unreleased features, giving us a rare look at where AI agents are headed next. So keep in mind, these companies spend years and millions of dollars protecting these very secrets and architectures. So even without a data leak, losing your secret sauce is a massive hit to your competitors. We're talking about power coding tools, automating workflows, and how AI functions as they get more independent. So the global AI market itself is projected to grow into trillions over the next decade, which means more systems and more deployments. But as it scales, it will get only more complex and any margin for error shrinks. In fast-moving environments like AI development, where updates are frequent and systems are complex, even small gaps can lead to unintended exposure. And increasingly, the challenge isn't just building powerful technology, but the challenge is actually managing it after you build it. So one has to be careful and consistent at scale. For more thoughtful breakdowns of stories shaping technology, follow Perspective and keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arushi Mishra.